In this video, I'm going to show you why most people never start an Airbnb business and exactly how you can do. So a lot of people I speak to, whether it's in the DMs, whether it's just in person, people who I chat to, they genuinely think it costs a lot more than what it does. That is just not the case. I think a lot of people, and it's more about perspective on this, it is about reframing people's positioning. So what I mean by that is, sometimes you got to realize there's a version of you out there who's making the money you want to make by making uncomfortable decisions and by letting fear drive where they are needing to go to. So what do I mean by that is, you've got to always put yourself in the perspective of what does the version of you who makes 10k a month in Airbnb do. If you realize the version of you makes 10k a month, all he did was just take more action, take risk, get educated, and fail fast. If you knew the 10k version of you was only 100 calls away from landlords to close 20 management deals that do 500 quid a month, you'll be doing what you can to set up your business tomorrow as quick as possible, to getting your website sorted, to doing your ads, your marketing, to then closing landlords, getting them on board. If you genuinely knew what I knew when it comes to this, bearing in mind we signed, as I believe it's 10 properties last month, we're signing 8 to 10 every single month consistently with just what we're currently doing. We're at the capacity where we think, do we hire some more staff to really ramp it up? I'm just making decisions now where if any decision I make is just making me 1% better. And that's one thing I want to get in your mind. If you genuinely knew, all you have to do is sort of kill your old self off, kill that fear of judgment, kill that perspective from what other people think of you, to then do what you need to do to take action. You'll be like, oh my God, is that all I really need to do to start to scale my Airbnb business? I think this more comes down to mindset than anything else. There's genuinely a version of you out there who's making the money you want to make. So you've got to start making decisions based on how that person feels. So when a lot of people say, fake it till you make it, what does that actually mean now? I genuinely believe you have to become it before you are it. And what I mean by that is, it's why I think visualization and manifestation is actually so key to actually living the life you want to live. If you knew the 10k version of you out there was acting this way, had this specific character traits, these behaviors, these principles, and you started acting like it now, you start to morph into that version of yourself. It's the exact same with me. I've never in my life thought I'm going to sit at a whiteboard and start talking to a camera. Did I ever think I was going to start an education business? Did I ever think I was going to start a management business? Then when I put it into perspective when I was starting that, all I need to do is take action, take risk, fail fast, get educated, keep just learning. You start to become this version of you who can start to make money through Airbnb. Because when you actually put it into the nitty gritty of what Airbnb is, you're a short-term rental host. You just need to market yourself out there, market your business, get landlords through the door, close them, and you don't realize, let me try and put it into perspective even further, is if you, let's say one property, the draw it, little house with windows and a door. One of these equals £600 a month in management fees. If you knew all it took was 10 landlord calls to equal that. If you knew all it took was getting 30 leads to call 10 people, 30% short rate, 30% close, whatever it may be, to get one of these, you'll be like, all it takes me to make 6k per month is 300 leads and what's that, 100 landlord calls. When you genuinely try to shift the perspective and put yourself in the position of the version of you who's already attained everything they want to attain, you start to move completely different. You start to move in abundance. The way you speak to landlords, the way you show up, the way I present myself on camera now, might not be the best at writing, sometimes I'm not the best at explaining, but I'm always trying to think there's a version of me out there who's doing 10x what I'm doing. How does he act in this situation? How does he present himself? Does he wear something nice? And it's the exact same with this principle. If you knew all it took was 300 leads to close 10 landlords, take 6k a month. 6k a month is a lot of money as well, by the way, for a lot of people in the UK. It's a lot of money for me. It's a lot of money for anyone doing it. So if you knew all it took was 300 leads, you'll be like, well, what do I need to learn? I need to learn the marketing. What does this mean? This equals your brand. This equals people being made aware of you. How do people be made aware of you? Well, referrals. Referrals, well, you need to tell everyone you know what you do. You need to tell them you're an Airbnb manager. You manage properties on behalf of landlords. This is who you are. It's presenting yourself in places like LinkedIn. It's presenting your place on Google search engine. It's presenting your place on Instagram. It's making sure people know who you are. It's paying for advertisements. It's speaking to people. It's doing all of these things to make people aware of who you are. And it's so true that attention flow, well, money flows or attention goes. It's the same in this aspect. If you knew all it took was 300 leads, you go to a networking event, you speak to 5 people, that's 500 already. You're like, shit, there's 7 more in this week. All I need to do is get 5 at every single one and it'll get me a fucking first deal, making 600 quid a month. If you knew that's all it took to get there, you'd be like, I just need to fail faster. I need to get educated, get around the right people, understand how this business model works, understand it from a business point of view. You're not just an Airbnb manager, but actually think like a CEO, think like a director, think like the version of you who already makes the money they want to make. And before you know it, you start making money. Because right now we've got 70 odd under management. We've got obviously 80 odd live, 85-ish live. So well, we make 30k plus a month in management fees. And we've not done there by thinking, well, I just won't take action. I've always thought there's a version of me out there who's making more money than I want to make, who's living the life I want to live, who's dating the women he wants to date, who's living in the dream house, who's got the perfect kids, who's got the perfect mates, the perfect life, everything. How does he act? He acts in abundance and he just tries to do stuff to fail as quick as possible. So when you put it into perspective of what it actually takes to get your first deal, it's really not a lot. Once you get educated, once you know how to do basic marketing and present yourself out there, it's just about closing the landlords and getting them into your ecosystem. But that's just one aspect of what I really talk about. But if you want to see more videos where I break stuff down into further detail like this, just going into even the nitty-gritty of like SEO or anything, please feel free to drop a comment below and we can make sure to go over